Machine learning and deep learning are forms of statistical learning algorithms that optimize parameters using data to minimize the loss function. Bro, what? Yeah, no, absolutely not. If someone said that in a meeting, I would fake a Wi-Fi issue and leave the call. So let's fix this before someone asks you to explain AI out loud and you just nod aggressively like a malfunction NPC. Machine learning versus deep learning. Two things that sound the same but behave like siblings who hate each other. Machine learning. The kid who needs instructions. Machine learning is the kid in class who gets decent grades, but only because you basically did the homework for him. You want ML to identify cats? ML is like, okay, cool, but define a cat. So you're like, pointy ears, two judgmental eyes, whiskers, general vibe of ignoring you. You spoon feed it features like a tired parent at 7 am. This is called feature engineering. Humans decide what the model should pay attention to. ML is smart, but only after you babysit it. Deep learning. The overpowered problem child. Deep learning is the kid who doesn't talk to anyone, doesn't raise their hand, and casually solves the calculus in their head. You give it raw data and it goes, I will stare at the pixels, I will see shapes, I will unlock forbidden knowledge. You don't tell it what ears are, what whiskers are. You just say it, this is a cat. And DL goes, cool, I will invent my own understanding of reality. This is called representation learning. The model learns features by itself. Deep learning is just machine learning on 4 energy drinks and no sleep. How they learn? Here is the T. In machine learning, you do the thinking. The model copies your homework. Whereas deep learning is like, the model does the thinking. You sit there like, damn, okay. ML relies on human-picked features. Simpler math. A laptop that doesn't threaten violence. DL relies on neural networks, millions of parameters, GPU screaming for messy, room temperature increased by 5 degrees. Deep learning is just ML with many stacked layers, learning complex patterns. Machine learning be like, give me like 200 rows, I will try my best. Whereas deep learning, if you don't give me 1 billion data points, I will learn nothing and also I will cry. Deep learning has one personality trait, more data. Deep learning models need massive data because they learn everything from scratch. ML is practical, DL is dramatic. When to use what? We use machine learning when your laptop is from college, your dataset fits in Excel, you want results today, you want to explain why something happened, you don't want your fan to sound like a jet engine. Use deep learning when your problem is too big for normal humans, you have a GPU, you care more about accuracy than explanations. You enjoy suffering just a little. DL shines in unstructured data like images, audio and language. So yeah, that's machine learning versus deep learning. One studies with notes, the other absorbs knowledge from the universe at 2 am. If this finally made sense, like, subscribe, sacrifice the GPU to algorithm gods, whatever. See you in the next one. Peace.